Alright, how about we test out some metallic paints from the new Warpaints Fanatics set, and these are new metallics. And we're starting off with a little bit of red copper. Now I'm using the exact same goblin warriors I had before, and what's kind of cool is we're going to actually see how they work on top of a wash. Now, off the bat, and I've noticed this, everyone was talking about this on Facebook, is how the paint came out of the bottle and is all over the top, the dropper on top, and it looks like it's only the metallics doing this, which is true. I'm noticing a lot of the metallics are, when you open the lid, it's all full of paint and so on and so forth. Now, number one thing I did here is I did not speed this up. I want you guys to see the actual coverage and how nice it is. Nice shine to it, nice color to it. That was the red copper. The mithril, okay, you've seen it before, but now I'm really showing you the application of how it goes on, where there's raised areas and some flat areas and a wash underneath, because these ones are a lot less thick than their first counterparts. All right, these are have a better coverage as well at the same time. I feel like they're almost like a speed paint, but not, because the speed paints go on very nicely in cover, but sort of give you a shading effect. These ones are a lot less like a speed paint, but I find they cover just as well, and they just get in the nooks and crannies. Great big shout out to my new patrons this month and ongoing patrons. Check out my Patreon page today for exclusive and bonus content. Link is in the description. Yeah, next color we're using is cobalt metal. You've heard me mention that I didn't like the fact that they lost the elven armor, like they gave it up on that one, which is kind of sucky. Well, this one has a tint of blue to it. It's not the bright blue that they had, and I'm kind of sad that they didn't keep it, but at least I have it in my air paints range, and I can use it if I need it there as just as a paint on brush on paint as well. The final one we're going to be testing is dark emerald. They have the other green one that they had before, which was, I think, glittering loot or something like that, or glittering green. I can't remember the name exactly, but this is another one, but this is darker, and all of them just cover so well, and when they dry, they don't lose any of that shine. They have a great coverage. I've mentioned it many times, but there you go. I know this is a really quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the new metallics in the Warpaints range. I want to thank you guys so much for enjoying these new Warpaints Fanatics with me and enjoying the videos I've made. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.